What's up, guys? It is day 3 of our trip. We just got everything packed up back at camp and loaded in the Tacoma, aired up a little bit until we get to the snow. So we're heading out now to go meet with the other people at the other camp, and then we're gonna make our way back up to the snow on the other side of the mountain and start heading back. Found ourselves a little rad trail through the trees. Robbie's taking us on it. I think he kind of knows where we're going, but it's pretty neat, just winding in between the trees, a little tight in some spots, but good trail overall. Through the trees. It was kind of like a shortcut thing. Now we're back on the main road, and I believe we're officially on our way out this time, but we're gonna hit some spots on the way back, and then we'll probably wrap up the snow wheeling for today. Well, guys, we're off the trail now. Just got done with all the snow and we're back to pavement. Getting the Tacoma all aired up. Air system is working great. Love this thing. If you haven't seen that, go check out the videos I did on an install and kind of showing how it works. It's a pretty rad setup. I like it. Everyone else, or a couple of the others, are getting aired up, and then there's a few more people that are still back on the mountains, but we got a long drive back home as well as the other people that we're with, so we're gonna go ahead and start trucking along ahead of them just so we can get back at a decent time. All right guys, we made it back. Trip went well. It was a nice drive over. Kind of just took our time and enjoyed the sights and the scenery and moseyed along this way. Now we're back here at the house. We're gonna get the Tacoma all unloaded and cleaned up and pretty much just get it set up and ready for the next trip. There's not much we got to do. The only thing I broke on the thing for the whole trip was this little turn signal light, which is no big deal. So I'll get a new one of those and then get that put on sometime later. Make sure you drop a comment down below if you're digging these wheeling videos. They're extremely fun to go on, and I'd like to go on some more. So give me some feedback on that, and make sure you check out the other videos from this trip. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.